Magandang hapon po ng March 27, 2025 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng March 27, 2025 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasa para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, March 27, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for March 27, 2025, Thursday. Here are the tonnage jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, March 27, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for March 27, 2025, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.